Today in the grain market, we got a rebound from soybeans. Futures did lose 44 cents for the week, though. China completely is still buying, but it is slowing somewhat. There is some concerns that maybe we are coming to the end of all their purchasing, and so the market is beginning to sell off, and really we're in somewhat of a correction stage. Today the world stocks were a little bit lower. That should have offered some support, as well as the Dalian exchange was up, but the market really just stopped the slide, let's say, just for the end of the week. We'll see what happens for next week. This is the last full week of September. October will start later in next week, and so I think we can start to gather information. The market's going to start to look for now quarterly stocks report. Now, corn also firmed up. The harvest pressure is still an issue. I think farmers are still selling, so they're really getting somewhat of their value. Thank goodness for that. But there's a lot of uncertainty going on, and I think that as the COVID virus expands and we have to find if we can actually open the economy as we move closer into fall, that is going to be at issue. But right now we are experiencing some harvest pressure, but today we got a little bit of relief. Wheat did slip today. There's rain in Europe and in Ukraine. That send the market a little bit lower. I think it looks like all the gains that we experienced from late last week, from Thursday and Friday, they're basically all erased at this point right now. Now, the U.S. dollar index did find a bottom, and so that also could be what's putting some pressure on the wheat. And let's take a look that since the market has turned from its highs, from the rallies that we had experienced, we're looking at a downside objective, maybe $9 for soybeans, $3.30 for corn, and $5 for wheat. These numbers aren't really a surprise, but that's going to be the low limit right now. So it's going to be a while before we get there, but that's just something to keep in mind as we go forward.